Hop aboard, we're waiting for you. The alphabet train is leaving the station, full of fun and education. Then A is for apple, shiny and red. B is for bear with a fuzzy head. C is for cat who loves to play. D is for duck splashing all day. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog, hopping away. Ride the alphabet train with me and you. From A to Z, come sing and cheer. Learning letters is fun right here. G is for giraffe, reaching so high. H is for hippo, splashing nearby. I is for ice cream, sweet and cold. J is for jelly, wiggly and bold. K is for kangaroo, bouncing along. L is for lion, singing his song. Ride the alphabet train with me and you. From A to Z, come sing and cheer. Learning letters is fun right here. M is for monkey, swinging with glee. N is for nest, cozy as can be. O is for octopus, waving 8 arms. P is for penguin, sliding with charm. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. R is for rabbit, hopping around. Chugga chug 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 chug. Ride the alphabet train with me and you. From A to Z, come sing and cheer. Learning letters is fun right here. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for turtle, moving just right. U is for unicorn, magical and rare. V is for violin,